Hello everybody, once again, this is Chef Reggie at Reggie, and I'm here to do our farm fresh roasted green bean for the month of April. Our vegetable of the month is the green bean, and I'm so excited. I love green beans. Now, this is a very, very simple recipe. So we have right here is 1 pound of green beans, and more likely you'll have more, but we're going to do this in pound increments. This is 1 pound of green beans. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to steam these for 5 minutes. So while my green beans are steaming, I'm getting together my seasonings. I need some salt, I need some onion powder, some granulated garlic, and I need some oil. Now the ratio to this is I'm gonna need 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and ½ a teaspoon of salt. Notice I said ½ a teaspoon. You don't need much salt in this recipe. So while that's cooking, I begin my things together. My green beans are steamed, and what I'm going to do is put these in an ice bag. And the reason why I steam these green beans is to give out a better color. I want these green beans to be very vibrant, and so by steaming them, it makes them a very, very nice green color. So I'm going to put these in our ice bag. And if you don't have an ice bag, you can run it under some cold water. I just want to cool these down so I can start seasoning them and getting ready to be cooked. I've taken my green beans out of my ice bag, and what I'm going to do is just kind of pat them dry just a little bit, because I don't want too much moisture on my green beans while they're cooking. And I don't need to do it so much, but just enough to get some of that excess water that might have been left from you taking them out of the strainer. Now, the first thing I want to do at this stage is I want to put some oil on my green beans. Now, if you don't have any salad oil or anything like that, you can use margarine or any type of fat that you may have available. Just don't go to the store and buy anything. Use what you already have on hand. So right now, I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of oil. After I do that, I'm just going to mix it up, toss them just a little bit, just to coat the green beans. This will help the seasoning stick onto the green beans to get that extra flavor that you're going to need once you take them out the oven. Now the next thing I want to do is add 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Powder. Now, if you have more than 1 pound, it's going to be more, but just to give you a good idea on how it's supposed to look. So all I'm going to do is toss these together. Now, as you can see, you notice that I didn't really spray my pan. You can spray your pan with pan spray, but since this already has oil on it, you really might not need it. So what I really want to do is just put these green beans on this pan, and I want to put them on the pan evenly, so they can roast evenly in the oven. My oven is already set for 400 degrees, and I only need 8 to 10 minutes to cook these green beans. They don't really take that long at all, but they are so delicious and they're blasted with flavor. As you can see, these are pretty much even on the pan. I'm just going to put this right on into the oven. So we're going to give this about 8 to 10 minutes, check it out, and see what comes out. So my oven has just went off. As you can see, I have my roasted green beans, and as you can see, they look beautiful. They're roasted all the way, got a nice color on them, they're still bright and green, and these should be perfect for our vegetable of the month.